This is how you set up managed Apache Kafka in 10 minutes with Aiven. Start by clicking Create a new service. Select Kafka and the version you want to use. Next, choose the public cloud where you want to deploy it, and the region that works best for you. Now you need to pick the plan that suits your workload. Pricing is all-inclusive, so all network and storage costs are already covered. Finally, give the setup a name and click Create Service. Just like that, you've stood up a fully managed Kafka service. Try spinning up your own database with our free 30-day trial. Aiven, your data cloud.